what's going on YouTube? Dremel Shake here. Today is January the 11th and I just got done finishing installing my Shogun frame sliders. So these are the cut style frame sliders. I did it two ways. The left side I took off the fairings, and the right side I didn't take off the fairings, and the right side was so much easier. And you guys can see for yourself. So I'll show you the left side first, and then I'll show you the right side. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope it helps you out, and please give the video a thumbs up if it did help you out. And thanks for watching. Basically, you just make a small hole and just work around the hole that you make. You have to kind of guesstimate where the bolt is. Mine, there was already a mark here from the previous seller, so previous owner, so I kind of know where it should be, but you could kind of already tell it should be somewhere around right here. That's good. Pretty much got it dead center in the middle, but I might need to take this off to get a bigger hole in. If you can't guess where the hole is, then pretty much you have to take off the plastic. Actually, just could take off this side. You can see there, it's almost in the middle. Let's see, I don't know if you can see, but it's there. It is there. Yep, pretty much perfect. Yep. Put that back in. Seems good. Bam. Alright, so actually the beginning of the video I messed up, so I recorded the voice over at the end, but this is pretty much what it looks like. Just kind of take your time and don't make the hole too big. That was there from before. Bad owner. And this side what I learned was, see, it's not flush with the frame. I don't know if you can see that. It's not flush. So you see there's a gap right here. So what I So what I did in the beginning actually was there's a little washer after the screw. In between the screw and the frame there's this big of a washer. You take that washer off, and if you take that off, pretty much just screw it in without the washer, and that will fill in the gap. Now I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but I don't know if they gave me the wrong puck, but I'm gonna email them, and hopefully if they did give me the wrong one, they'll send me another one. And but it doesn't harm anything. It looks perfectly fine if you take off the washer. And matter of fact, let me do that right now and I'll come back. Alright, so this was a washer that I was talking about. It goes right in between that and the frame. So just take this off, and I'm gonna show you. You see how much of a clearance there is. And what happens is this just pretty much squeezes in a bit more. So let me tighten this up, and you pretty much see for yourself. Yeah, pretty much what's happening is this is just going more up, grinding against the frame. But yeah, I'm gonna email them and see if it's something, if they gave me the wrong one. Alright, so small update about the left side frame slider. And I did call the manufacturer for Shogun, and they said that the hole's supposed to be a lot bigger, and this is pretty much the size of the hole that I made. I'm not really too happy with it, but he said that's the way it's supposed to be for these for this type of frame slider, since it's like a race type slider, I guess. And as you can see, it is flushed right now. Well, you could have got away with it if you just took out that washer in between that screw. But what happens is it kind of presses in the plastic too much, and I didn't like that. So just wanted to let you guys know, if you do go with a Shogun, you have to make a lot bigger hole for this. So you kind of, let me just pretty much tighten it for you. Kind of wish I went with another brand, but whatever, it is what it is. That's the way it looks. Would that be? That's the way it looks. You see how the puck itself goes inside compared to this side. Puck doesn't go in at all. It's a really clean fit. I wish it was like this on the other side, but that's not the case. So just a little FYI about the Shoguns. Whatever, I bought it for like 39 bucks off of eBay, so I guess these are one of the best ones for that price. So yep, that's it. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys learned some stuff, and try not to mess up yours. Just remember, do it little by little. It took me pretty much like 3 hours. 3 hours? Yeah, I guess about 3 hours to get that fit in. It was pretty much this one that took so long. The other one was a bit easier. So yeah, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Peace out.